In this video, I want to highlight a trading setup I'm looking at right now. I have been analyzing Bitcoin for the past few days and weeks, and it's been a really interesting time because we have been plunging like never before. And from the high of once 20,000 almost, we have gone down to 6,000. Now, the chances are pretty high that the absolute bottom is in. Yes, I know that some people think it's obvious, but I don't think it's as obvious. If you're really being realistic, there are bear markets in every other asset class, so cryptocurrencies are not an absolute exception to that. But after this development here, I think we are on our way to recovery, and I have a short-term play I am looking at. So I want to switch over to the 1 hour chart after I've given you a brief overlook, and it looks like this. So after the first rise here, if you're into Elliott waves, you could see this as a wave 1, which ends either here or here. It doesn't matter anymore because we are way past that, and I think everyone can agree on the fact that from here a wave 3 starts, a wave 3 of the same degree as this wave 1, as you can see. Now there are some people who think that this is a 3, this is a 4, and this is a 5, but I don't agree with that. I think that these waves here are a part of this larger wave 3, and I had been expecting a retracement no further than $9,000 mark, and it has satisfied my expectations right here. So we have retraced to this point, forming a wave 4, and now of course we're missing a wave 5. So for everyone who's familiar with Elliott waves, you should already know that in every impulse wave we need 5 waves up, and we're clearly missing the 5th one, which is being formed right now though. And how far can this one go? Well, I have tried to extrapolate a target for this wave 5, and the target should be, following my calculations, right around here, from this level where the price is right now at exactly $11,000. This would be a gain of approximately, okay, let's say 15%. It's probably more than that, but even conservatively, it's at least 15% gain I am looking at right now before we go into the next retracement, which might maybe come down to 10K or slightly below it before continuing further up. Because if this is the real impulse wave up, then we should turn bullish again. Even though a lot of altcoins are getting wrecked right now, Bitcoin is doing well, which reminds me of the months October, November, and the start of December. So we have a first wave made up of these 5 waves here, and we are forming the 3rd wave of the bigger 5th wave. I hope everyone can follow that. And using a Fibonacci extension tool, we can see that the first wave taken with the length of the second projects a 1-to-1 extension to around this level. The 3rd wave is usually a little longer than the first one, and it's never the shortest of the 5s. So I'd say it might even have a chance to reach this 12,450 level. However, short retracement will happen before reaching the bigger target. I'd say that this is definitely an interesting trading idea, and the most important part right now, I don't know what's going to happen until I upload this video, but this break of 1166 here on the Bitfinex exchange will be crucial to confirm our uptrend to the first wave 3 target around here. And as soon as we break this one, we should be on our way up. Even if we don't manage to break this resistance just yet, this support here, this blue zone, should serve as a really strong support for the next wave up, and I don't believe that we are going to go down from here. So this is it. Let me know what you think about this setup, and see you next time.